I'm Franco Easterling. I'm a fitness professional in Orlando, Florida, and I specialize in weight loss and body sculpting. I have a prepared meals business called Healthey Bites Fitness Cuisine, and we do prepared meals for the greater Orlando area. We're a weekly meal service that helps families and working professionals meet their dietary needs on a weekly basis. HealtheyBitesFitnessCuisine.com. You can go on there, and it's also linked up with our blog page, and then it's also, we have our Healthey Bites Fitness Cuisine Facebook page.